Okay, so this is my acoustic guitar, so we'll just start with that to learn all the different parts. And I'll just zoom in real quick so that you can see. Okay, we're going to start with the what's called the headstock, and that's from here to this part. All that is considered the headstock of the guitar, and these are called tuners or tuning machines. It depends. Different literature refers to it different ways, but I refer to them as the tuners, tuning keys. This is the white part is the nut of the guitar, holds the strings in place. The metal, to get real close, you can see that. So that those metal things going across right here are the frets, and so you see you go all the way down towards the sound hole right here, which is the big hole right here. Zoom in on that. So this is the sound hole, and this part right here is the bridge, and that's called the saddle. The white part right here. The brown part is the bridge, and the white part is the saddle. And this whole part right here, all the way around, is called the body. And this whole part from here, all the way up here, is called the neck, right? And that includes this back part here, right? And so the brown part of the neck is called the fretboard, but everything you see below the nut all the way down to the sound hole is considered the neck. And usually it's just consider this part right here. This part right here is called the neck. So those are the basic parts of the guitar. So you got the headstock nut, the neck, fretboard, and the frets, and that's the sound hole right there. And that's the body right there, and then that's the bridge, and the white part's the saddle, and it's got 6 strings. And this is the 6th string, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when you're looking at a guitar and you're holding it like that, the one closest to you is the 6th string. Okay, and so you start with the 1st fret, and then goes higher in direction that way. So basically, yeah, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, and your guitar may have the dot in the middle. Mine has it on the side. It's a little bit different, but you'll see this is 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7, 9, 12, 15, right, 17, so on and so forth, right? So anyhow, so I hope you kind of memorize these things because we'll be talking to each other. I'll say take your 1st finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, which would be right here. This would be the 2nd string of the 5th. Sorry, that would be the 2nd fret of the 5th string, 3rd fret of the 6th string, and so on and so forth. And so when you're reading tablature or you're communicating with another guitarist, that'll basically be how you communicate back and forth.